Good morning, students. Sairam, welcome back once again. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter from the second book, Science, chapter number 6. The name of chapter is How Plants Make Food. In this chapter, we will learn how food is made by a plant, by which process plant make their food. Like we are depend on plants for food, but plants make their own food, and how they make their own food we will learn in this chapter. Children, if you go outside, you will see many plants. Small, some are big, but the color of plants are green. The leaves of plants are mostly green. Do you know why the leaves are green? So let's see why the leaves are green or what make them green. So leaves appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll. The reason behind the green color of leaves is chlorophyll. So leaves appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Now let's see the parts of leaf. The flat part of leaf is called leaf blade. Here in this picture you can see here the flat part of leaf is called leaf blade. Each leaf has one main vein and many side veins. So first you know what is the function of veins. The function of vein or its help in the transportation of substance like water, mineral and food, prepare food. So here you can see in the structure here the middle line. The middle line, here you can see a tube like a middle line which is known as main vein or midrib, and the side one you can see these are the side vein which help in the transpiration of water. The water which is absorbed from the root is transferred first into a stem, then stem transfer the water into a leaf. From here the veins, the mid vein, the main vein and the side veins transfer the water, mineral and the prepared food to whole part of leaf. Then the lower surface of leaf has holes. If you see the lower surface, back surface of leaf, you will find holes which is called stomata. These holes can't be seen by naked eyes, and these stomata helps the plants to breathe. This is the picture of stomata, which is the portion of here back side. It is a stomata. It is like a gate like which allow the transfer of gases. You know, plants take carbon dioxide and give oxygen. So these stomata work as a gate which allow to pass oxygen outside and allow the entry of carbon dioxide inside the leaf. Now, what is photosynthesis? The process by which leaves make their food is called photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food. So, the process by which leaves make their own food is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is made by the combination of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means here light and synthesis means here to put to put together. Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in leaves. So, chlorophyll is the reason why the plants appear green, and it is also help plants to make their own food. Children, do you know the non-green leafy things such as mushroom cannot make their own food because in them no chlorophyll is present, and now you know that chlorophyll is very important for making the food. So plants which do not have chlorophyll, they cannot make their own food. So mushroom is the one of the example which cannot make their own food because the absence of chlorophyll. Now what are the substance which is needed for the photosynthesis by which plants make their food? So main important things are water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight. These are the main things which are needed for our plants to make their food. Children, the water needed to make food is taken from the soil by root. In this picture you can see water is absorbed by the roots, it go up to the stem, to the leaves. Water goes to all part of the leaves through the veins. You have seen the structure, the veins. These are the veins, and these are the side veins which carry the water through all parts of the leaf. Next, carbon dioxide. On the underside of the leaf, there are very small opening called stomata. You have seen in this picture. On the back side, there is a small holes called stomata, which help, now you know, which help to exchange the gases, like it allow to go outside oxygen and entry of carbon dioxide in. These small holes which are called stomata, through which air enters the leaf. Then next is important, which is important for the photosynthesis, is sunlight. Sunlight provides the energy needed to make food. Like we need energy to perform a various activity, same as sunlight provide the energy to the plants to make their food. If sunlight is not there, then plants cannot make their food. So sunlight is very important for the photosynthesis, because the photosynthesis name itself show photo means light and synthesis is the process by which a plants make their food. So this process always occur in the presence of sunlight. If there is no sunlight, then the process of photosynthesis will not occur. When the part of sunlight fall on the leaf is trapped by the chlorophyll. So here the chlorophyll play a very important role which help to trap the sunlight, and the sunlight provide the energy by which a plant can make their food. Children, now in this figure you can see a plant is getting a water from the root, and the sunlight, light energy from the sun, and carbon dioxide from the air, which enter into a leaf through the stomata. The carbon dioxide enter through the stomata. If the stomata is not open, then it will not enter in the leaf. So stomata allow the entrance of carbon dioxide. The chlorophyll observe green waves length from the sun, making plants look green. So by using the energy of sunlight, leaves change water, carbon dioxide into a food. By using the sunlight, leaves change water and carbon dioxide into a food. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called sugar. The food which is prepared by the photosynthesis is called sugar. This food is taken through the veins and the stems to all part of the plants. Now you know the food is prepared in the leaves. So food will prepare in the leaf. The food which is prepared by the photosynthesis is called sugar. Then this sugar is transferred to the other part of the plant. First it will grow into a stem through these veins. These veins will carry the food. These veins will carry the food into first stem, then from stem it will transfer the prepared food to other parts of a plant. This food is taken through the veins and stems to all part of the plants. A part of food is changed into a other substance. Like we eat food, that food is changed into a different nutritions like carbohydrate, protein, fat. Same as the part of food is changed into a other substance and used by the plants. Like we use food for the energy, for the bodybuilding, for the protection of body from the disease. Same as plants also use the food for growth, for making flowers, fruits and seeds, and repairing damage. So plants also perform various activities like they grow, they make flowers, fruits, seeds. So they also need energy and they also get the energy from the food. So they make their own food. And the process by which they make their own food is known as, very good, it's known as photosynthesis. When the food is remain as an extra, then it will store as a starch into a root, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers. So when we eat different types of vegetables like root vegetables, stem vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruits, so we also get the food which is made by the plants. So we eat the sugar, starch and the other substance that make for the plants which make the food themselves. We eat the sugar, starch and other substance of a plant which make food for themselves and store extra food which is stored in the root, stems, leaf. Then we eat all that food as a sugar, starch and other substance. So children, what are the things is needed for the photosynthesis? Very good. Chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide and sunlight is needed for the photosynthesis. Now we will look once again how a plant make a food by the photosynthesis. The process by which leaves make their own food is called photosynthesis. The green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in the leaves. And what are the other substance which is needed for the photosynthesis? Water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight. And from where they get water? Water they get from the soil by root. It goes up to the stem, to the leaves. Water goes to all parts of the leaf through the veins. And the carbon dioxide, plant get carbon dioxide from the air, which enters into a leaf through the small holes, which is known as stomata. And the sunlight, they get sunlight from the sun, which provide energy. The part of sunlight fall on the leaf is trapped by the chlorophyll. Then plant using the energy of sunlight, leaves change water and carbon dioxide into a food. And the food which is prepared by the photosynthesis is called sugar. This food is taken through the veins and the stems to all parts of the plants, because plants need food to perform various activities like for growth, making flowers, fruits and seeds, repairing damage. Then the food which is remain, that food is stored as a starch in root, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers. Then we eat the sugar, starch and other substance that plants make for themselves.